Hi there, this video is called Next Week's Very Extreme Atlantic Incursion Weather Anomaly Forecast UK 23. Like video, press the thumbs at the side screen right now. The date today is 20th of December, Wednesday, 23. The latest interstate with equilibrium temperature off the west coast of South America, eastern, central, and western part of the Pacific region, North Pacific Ocean, equilibrium temperature, North Atlantic equilibrium temperature, the west coast of Africa, equilibrium temperature, and the Gulf of Mexico, equilibrium temperature. Let's see what's going on today, guys. Wow! Fantastic, historically speaking. Our Super El Nino continues, guys, to continue across east and central and western parts. Very strong, guys. That's why it's such a warm winter across northwestern Europe at the moment. The heat's driving westerly winds across the Atlantic towards the UK. And wet weather should have wet weather across the southwest and across western parts of America with El Nino, Super El Nino in place this coming winter. Actually towards the end of this winter. Maybe in the December, the end of December this year across California around here. It's all to play for this Super El Nino. It's all going on across the world globally at the moment. The equilibrium temperature is quite warm across the North Atlantic and across the North Pacific Ocean. This is the American 12, Z GFS model. Talking about the weather for Christmas Day. Talking about wet weather coming across the northwestern parts of the UK. Maybe a bit snowy across the Highlands of Scotland, but mainly rain across the rest of the UK, especially across the northern parts of the UK. Maybe rain across that part of the way. Quite dry across the south at times, quite unsettled, quite stormy at times, and wet. It's about low pressure coming from the northwest probably at times. It looks like we're going to have a cold start, well, into the new year, potentially for a day or two, end of the year into the new year. Southwesterly winds blowing in from the Atlantic, quite extreme weather because it's solar westerly winds across the UK potentially. So about the weather coming in now, it's about wet weather across the northwestern parts of the UK, dry weather across the south, quite coming across the south of the UK, quite cold, chilly westerly winds, chilly northwesterly winds. They're trying to come in from the northwestern Scotland, and it's really unsettled, guys, at times. Might be a storm this week, I wouldn't be surprised. This is the upper air temperature with the American 12 GFS model. And we're talking about the upper air temperature being quite mild across the southwestern parts of the UK, but chilly in the northwest of the UK, across Scotland, especially in Northern Ireland. But no signs of any real cold air. Cold air is locked in across Greenland at the moment, and over here across Scandinavia, so no sign of any cold weather coming across the UK just yet. Or a big cold, big freeze. And this is the upper air temperature working tone locally. Looking today, guys, it's incredible, guys. Wow! Talk about the red line with the 30 average line, white line with the temperature going. Yes, the red line stops out. It does actually stay below the average. Well, it's about average. It stays about the average sort of red line area, the upper air temperature. That's the way the white line is at the moment into the new year. Talk about the rainfall spikes and quite a lot coming into the new year. It's quite unsettled weather for the end of this year into the new year. Because working tone locally, we're getting today, guys. So it's all to play for, guys, with the air temperature and the rainfall spikes in the future, because working tone locally. This is the forecast at the present time. Now, tomorrow it's back to wet weather and showers at times. Tomorrow, northwesterly wind, 15 miles per hour, quite windy. And it'll be mild as well Friday, high of about 11 Celsius. And it's going to be cloudy and still light showers in the morning. And it's just bits and pieces of rain in the future. Monday was like a very nice-ish day at times, and sunny and unsettled. For Christmas Day, because working tone locally. And Tuesday looks, it looks quite mild and southerly wind of about 5 miles per hour on Boxing Day, and a high of 9 Celsius. Incredible. And to about miles up just as I predicted this week to be quite mild. And showery, wet and horrible and wet that day. And Friday looks pretty wet and horrible. There's a lot of rain on the way, of course, working tone locally for the future. It does calm down a little bit to the new year. Might be, it suggests there's a high pressure and circular weather coming in for the new year, because working tone locally across the southeastern regions. This is the, you name it, guys. What goes on up at the stratosphere at 10 HPA. You're talking about there, you can see what's going on. What we want to see for SSW, and this is what we're talking about today. This is what we're talking about SSW, guys, because working tone locally. You want to see this line going straight up here to get an SSW, but it's not doing that. We had displacements recently, but nothing too serious. We want a real SSW, we want it to split at the ball, it's doom up at 10 HPA, guys, which we'll get down to right now, guys. You want to see this blue colour. This is what we're currently doing at the moment, being pushed away by these bright colours, red and stuff across the North Pole. So it's sunny days. This is a short range forecast. It's more reliable. And this is the, you name it, an SSW guy potentially in the future, because across the North Pole. It's referenced here at 10 HPA. But it's not a guarantee, and it's the long range forecast. So you want to see a -0 there. So it is like we might get an SSW. But maybe more displacement. I hope that's video. Please subscribe to the channel. Sunday, the weather's been pretty fierce for the future and pretty unsettled.